we got a great fun challenge for you today called rainbows. What is that? Check it out. Here's the ground exercise. Moving it forward. Okay, let's take it to the line. We're going to work our way up because we love progressions. So, phase one, self-pass. Hop up on the line. Try your self-pass by calming down, getting into slacker stance, finding a dristy, just throwing the ball up and catching. I recommend getting a nice little loft here with the ball and catching. Try that a few times with 1 foot off, and then bring both feet to the line and try it again. Finding that same loft and committing to staying with both feet on the line. Okay, now that's phase one. Practice that foot on, foot off. We'll move to phase two. Phase two is rainbows. Practicing the toss over the head, catch, and then back. Catch. Making sure you get a nice loft. As you throw over, I lean forward, create a nice space on my back to catch. And as I go back to the front, I really push through my fingertips. And again, think nice loft or rainbow arc. Reach out to catch it. Practice that a few times. Get comfortable with that. That's phase two. Phase three is we're going to start moving across the line as we do this. Starting up, throw, catch, take a step, throw, catch, take a step, throw, catch, take a step, throw, catch, take a step. Continuing this all the way across the line. And then phase four, we're going to work this same rainbow, but walking backwards. So throw it up, catch, take a step back, throw it up. Ho! Well, sometimes you miss rainbows. That's why it's conditioning drills. Pick it up, try again. Till next time, Slackrobats, keep training.